Shit, I'm gonna get a fucking BB gun.
I'm the peacekeeper. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm out. Unless somebody hits me and then they die. Ow! Out of the parking lot!
Out of the parking lot! I got him in the head.
They got me dead in my head. Oh, fuck. He got me dead on my fucking head.
Hey, y'all go to the back.
1, 2, 3, you got Alex? Shit, watch Alex, watch Alex. No, watch Paul. Hey.
No!
Alex, gun pointed.
He's got a bullet! He's got a bullet!
Think you can sneak one down that hole? Shit. Now I'm real out. Now I'm really out. Oh, you were lying?
No,
You were lying?
He's lying.